Hi, how you doing? Now, I hope you're very well. This is the way I open up a lot of my videos, as you probably know, and now more than ever, each day it has more and more weight behind it because of what we're going through in the world with the coronavirus, COVID-19, words that just a couple of months ago, we'd never heard of. Well, I certainly hadn't, and now it's all got a bit crazy. So I've been thinking about what can I do to help you, and I thought, well, what's the best value that I've kind of put together recently that I know some of you still haven't got. And it took me back to just over a month ago was my 3-year anniversary, and you may have seen that I did a special 3-year anniversary bundle. So I thought, let's get that back out there again for you, because do you know what? Now is the time that you need to be really working on working from home. There is a situation spreading across the world whereby countries are going into lockdown and people are being forced to self-isolate, if that's the term you want to use, for some period of time, and we don't know how long that's going to be. But if you could use that time to really absorb and learn some information, then start making some money from the comfort of your own home, wouldn't that be amazing? And I think that would be really good for you. I think now is the very best time that you can do it. And I understand that a lot of you must be really, really concerned at the moment because of the way things are. And financially, on top of everything else, all the worries we've got, if you're unable to work, or if the business you have or you work for collapses because of all of this, then it's going to be a tough time. So I really think that now is like the perfect opportunity for you to really learn how to make money online. And in my 3-year anniversary special, what I did was I took a bundle of products that headlined with some amazing products, and you get this enormous, I think it's about a $5,000 bundle for just $97. And in there's absolutely everything you need to know. And in my products, I don't hold anything back. I am not one of these people that, you see some people saying, oh, everything was there, but there was just a little bit left, and left me guessing, and I didn't know, how to put the final pieces of the puzzle into place, so I couldn't make any money. In my products, I give you everything. I tell you exactly what I did. I give you as it is, and for those of you that don't know my story, just over 3 years ago, which is why the 3-year anniversary special came around, just over 3 years ago, I was financially on the floor, and things were really, really bad for me, like really bad. I didn't have a penny. I was maxed up to my eyeballs on my credit cards. I had loans, debts, and things were just really awful, really awful. So I understand, if you're in a situation where finances are tight, or you can see that they're going to become very tight, and that you would love to know how to make money online, then you need to get this bundle. Now, in the other videos that you'll see probably below this or over on the sales page for the bundle, to give you all the information you need to know, you'll get all the breakdown, but just to remind you of some of the key factors that you get. So you're going to get my intrinsic masterclass, all right? Now that's currently selling at $297 and has been incredibly well received. This intrinsic masterclass is a complete step-by-step guide, and it shows you how to create your own product, but gives you the product as well at the end to go and use and to go and sell yourself and make some money from. But for me, most importantly, was that I was teaching you how to make your own product, because if you can do that, then you've got everything you need in order to make money online. Once you make that transition from consumer to creator, and that's what you need to do now. You need to become a creator so you can create things, digital things, products that you can sell online that can protect you and your family's finances during this difficult period. So you're going to get the intrinsic masterclass. Now, the bundle itself, as I mentioned, is just $97. Intrinsic masterclass sells at $297. So already you're ahead of the game. You're getting a fantastic deal. But not only that, you're also going to get Commissionlicious. Now, Commissionlicious sells at $997. This is a huge product, And in here, I cover all sorts of things with regards to affiliate marketing and internet marketing in general, including choosing your domain name, getting hosting, installing WordPress, installing plugins. I cover YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. I cover Google Docs. I cover presentations, Gmail, Google Drive. I cover Google Calendar, having a YouTube channel, Screencast-O-Matic, Canva, GMAS, Litmus tabs, TalkTo, the chat platform that I use on my site, ranking your videos on YouTube, and building your Facebook friends list and posting on Facebook. I cover everything in Commissionlicious. All right, so that fantastic product there, that program for $997, is also included in the bundle. So now you've got a $297 and a $997. And you're only paying $97, but there's a huge amount of extra products that come with it as well. As I said, I won't go through them all here, but I just wanted to give you the main ones that I think are the real sort of help for you right now. Then we've got Headway. Now Headway is currently priced up at $197, and Headway is, I think, one of the best products that a newbie can use to get started in this business, because what we teach you to do is make headway. All right, so we show you how you can build up an affiliate score on Warrior Plus and then build up a vendor score on Warrior Plus, so that you suddenly elevate yourself, and then you can go and get review access, you can get approval to promote products, and it covers all of that. It solves all of the issues that you have in this business when you're first starting out as a newbie. And it's based on, you know, the problems that I was facing when I was starting out. So we teach you how to make headway, and then we go on to teach you all sorts of things, including how to create your own product. So again, we're talking about making that transition from consumer to creator, which is the most important thing. All right, so I just thought I'd just record this quick video. Now, all right, aside from that, just to run through on top of that. So you get those three, then you're going to get the Headway OTO 1, the Headway OTO 2, the Headway OTO 3, and that takes us up to $1,792 worth of products for just that $97. Then I'm going to give you Zero Buster 2.0, which is worth $197, and then we go on to Affiliate Mastery at $497, Affiliate Mastery 1 and 2 at $497 each, and then List Mastery at $497, List Mastery the Platinum at $497, and then Avalanche List Building at $97, plus the OTOs at $67 each. Then you're going to get the Big 5, and you get the Big 5 OTO 1 as well, and the OTO 2, which is enormous. The whole package is worth $4,469, and you're going to get it for just $97. So I thought now was a perfect time to remind you about that, in case you didn't pick it up before. I closed it. I'm going to reopen it for you so that you've all got a real good fighting chance of making some massive progress in this online business, especially if you're finding you've got some more time on your hands. So if you've got any questions, please let me know. In the meantime, I wish you and your loved ones all the very best at this tricky time, and just stay safe. Keep your hands washed, keep away from people as much as you possibly can, and let's get through this together. Take care, I'll speak to you soon. All the best, Trevor. Now in this 3-year anniversary special, what I'm doing is I'm giving you so much value. It's just unbelievable, you know, seriously. I'm still considering whether or not I should do this, but a lot of you have asked me, you know, said I wanted to get that, I just missed it. So I'm going to open up some more spots. I'm going to reset the timer. It's going to be your last chance to get hold of this. Now this bundle is genuinely worth like over $4,000, and I'm selling that for just $97 for the whole lot, which is just unbelievable. It's insane value for money, and you're never going to see anything like this again, in my opinion, you know. And this is not push button riches, but what this is the ability for you to be able to learn exactly how I've done what I've done, and for you to be able to do what I do and what I've done. That's going to give you a major advantage over everybody else if you just follow what's in this training in each of the courses, especially starting with Intrinsic Masterclass and Commissionlicious. You start with those two, then work your way on to Headway, go through the Headway OTOs. If you don't make it after doing that, seriously, you know, you'll get success at last. you know, which is what so many of you are yearning for. I understand that. I've been there, felt that. So it's my little shout out to you to say, grab it now while you've got a chance. I'm opening it up again, and it is incredible value. This is a treat to yourself, so treat yourself, go and get it now, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.